Houston, Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed.
Hey guys, Cody here with Ruthless Hemi 345. Just a little update. So when you do the oil pressure sensor, again, right there in the front of the block, it's easiest to take 2 bolts out of the front of the alternator bracket right here. You'll see these 2 little bolt holes here. You can take the 2 bolts out of the front, and there will be a 3rd one back here. Leave that one, just loosen it, and then you can tilt it forward, and then you'll have all that extra room to get to the actual sensor itself, and then you'll be able to change it out from there. It shouldn't be too bad once you actually get the alternator tilted forward. It does help if you disconnect your battery, but it's not imperative, although I highly recommend it if you do plan on fully removing the alternator. Alright, Cody here again. This is just a quick update. So I did get the plug off and it broke. It was broke before I even took it off. So, you know, apparently this had been apart before, or it got real hot and just, you know, crumbled. So I'm eventually going to have to replace that because it is a weather plug. No big deal. You know, I know how to wire. Otherwise, when you go to take this sensor out, you know, it's all over YouTube. There's a bunch of people doing this. This is the socket they recommend, the 1 1/16, not the brand, just the size. And the replacement sensor will be the same size, so it might be a little bit of a pain in the butt to get out, and I do recommend you use a deep socket with a half-inch drive so you can get a little bit of leverage on it. Just try not to, you know, try to be as finesse as possible when you're taking something like that out, because you don't want. Just another heads up, when you actually go to put the alternator back in, or, you know, tilt it back up and put it in its proper location, make sure that you can kind of see it there. There's a dowel pin that the bolt goes right through. Make sure you actually have that lined up in the thing before you start the bolt, because you will cross thread it, and that bracket is cast aluminum, so if you cross thread it, you take the threads right out of it because it's real soft metal. You know, just kind of a heads up for that in case you ever have to do this for any reason. Otherwise, I highly suggest you hire it done. Alright, Cody back with the Ruthless Hemi 345, and I'm just updating y'all. I just installed the oil pressure sensor. Sorry about the blurry video. I am doing this on my phone. Yeah, it fixed the problem. Check engine light went right off. So, you know, also that 82 degrees, that's false. It's actually more like 102 out right now with a heat index. So make sure if you're going to work on a car, you do it in a really cool place in the shade. You know, try not to do it during the middle of the day like I did. I'm an idiot. I have a heat headache now real bad. Anyway, enough of the complaining. This is the end of the video, so I'll see you guys later. Have a good one. Stay ruthless.